Hey guys, I need to tell you something that might shock you. Most affiliate marketers are promoting the wrong AI tools in 2025, and that's actually costing them thousands in commissions. I've spent the last month diving deep into user testimonials, commission structures, and also actual affiliate earnings. The result will blow your mind. By the end of this video, I'm going to reveal the top 7 high-paying AI affiliate programs that are proven to convert, plus the 3 programs that you need to stop promoting immediately in order to save your reputation. So let's jump right in. Before diving deep into this game-changing alternatives, let me ask you this. Have you ever promoted an AI tool to your audience only to get complaint about their customer service or billing issues? Yeah, me too. And that's exactly why I created this list. Because here's the thing. In 2025, it's not about high-paying commissions anymore. Your audience trust is everything. And promoting the wrong AI tool can destroy years of relationship building in seconds. So I'm going to break down these 7 alternatives in order of earning potential, starting with the absolute gold mine that most people are sleeping on. And I will show you the real user testimonials and actual screenshots of commissions that prove that these are legitimate money makers. First up is Submagic, and this is hands down the most profitable AI affiliate program that I have seen in 2025. We are talking 30% lifetime recurring commissions. So you get paid every month as long as your referral stays subscribed. Here's why this is a gold mine. One affiliate, Chris Cordero, publicly shared that he has made over $20,000 with their program, and it keeps growing every month. But here's the kicker. Submagic solves a real problem. It adds AI-powered captions, effects, emojis, and B-rolls to short-form videos. And with creator economy exploding, this tool is in massive demand. The best part? It's incredibly easy to demonstrate the value. You can literally show the before and after example of your videos, and people can instantly see the differences. Plus, they have a 4.5-star rating on Trustpilot with over 500 views, and your audience will literally love you for recommending it. Number 2 is Notion AI, and this one is perfect if your audience includes 9 to 5 job workers. They offer 50% recurring commissions for the first 12 months, and get this, they have a 180-day cookie window. That means if someone has clicked your links and doesn't buy for 6 months, you still get the commission when they finally purchase. Here's why this converts like crazy. Every office worker faces struggle with productivity and organization. Now, Notion AI exactly targets these workplace challenges, and with over 13,000 partners in their program globally, you know it's legitimate. One affiliate said it was no-brainer because they had experienced firsthand how beneficial it is. There is even an official YouTube tutorial showing how one affiliate earned $1,500 in commissions from a single $3,000 subscription customer. Third on my list is Koala AI, and this is one of the hidden gems for a content creator. 30% lifetime recurring commissions, and with over 16,000 paid users globally using this platform. Here's what makes it so special. It specializes in generating Amazon affiliate content. So if you're in the make money online space or someone who is teaching about affiliate marketing, this is perfect. One user on Reddit said that they had discovered Koala AI and it has been a game changer for writing full blog posts in seconds. Another reviewer called it the absolute best writer they had tried. A lifetime recurring aspect means you're building a real passive income online, and someone who has signed up could be paying you for years. Now, before I reveal the next 4 programs, if you're someone who is interested in making money online through affiliate marketing, I have put up an affiliate marketing formula in the video on top right of your screen. You can watch and learn the exact formula people are using currently to build a passive sustainable income for the long term. Now let me show you the number 4 on my list, which has one of the highest commission rates I have ever seen. And please stay tuned because I'm going to reveal the 3 AI programs that are really damaging affiliates' reputation online right now. Leonardo AI offers 60% commissions on the first month. That's the highest rate on this entire list. They are managed through impact.com, which means a reliable tracking and also guaranteed payments. With the AI art market exploding, this is perfectly positioned for 2025. One affiliate claims they are making $100 daily with this program, and user testimonials show that Leonardo AI is at the forefront of AI image and art generation technology. If you have a creative audience or cover AI art topics, then this 60% commission rate will literally boost your monthly commission earnings. Number 5 is InVideo AI, and they have almost 25 million customers globally. And they offer 50% commissions on monthly plans and 25% commission on annual plans with a 120-day cookie window. And here's what's impressive. They have over 1,000 affiliates earning $5,000 plus monthly. This platform is perfect for YouTube automation audience because it converts the text into viral videos. But however, I need to be transparent here because the commissions only apply for the first billing cycle, not recurring. But with their massive customer base and a 4.3 star rating on Trustpilot, their conversion rates are solid to make it worthwhile. Number 6 is Copy AI, and this one comes with a warning. They offer 45% commissions for 12 months and they have 60-day cookie period, and this looks great on paper. It's a versatile AI writing platform that can create a blog post, product descriptions, website copy, and social media content. Here's a mixed reality. One user shared that for $49 a month, Copy.ai has revolutionized their blog traffic from $0 to $2,000 monthly traffic, calling it an absolute bargain. Another testimonial claims Copy.ai has revolutionized how I create content. Here's the other side, the red flag. Their Trustpilot scores have dropped to 2.4 star rating with complaints about being an unprofessional company and service interruptions. One Reddit user said the results were about as expected, bad. So while the commission structures look appealing, the customer service interruptions looks a bit damaging to your reputation. So if you promote this, test it thoroughly first and maybe wait to see if they improve their service quality. V.io rounds out my list at number 7, and it has 25% recurring commissions for the first 12 months. And they have a decent 3.9 star Trustpilot rating, and there are concerning reports about customer service and billing issues. Some users have reportedly said it's like overpriced garbage, so please test it before you promote. Now, for the programs that you absolutely need to stop promoting. First, Speechify. They have massive B complaints about unauthorized charges and billing issues. Customer service is reportedly terrible, and users are literally warning others not to waste their money. Second, Pictree AI. Despite being so popular with some gurus, they have a 3.4 star Trustpilot rating with complaints about awful platform performance and useless support. Users are literally saying they would give 0 stars if possible. Third, Phrase AI. And this one is brutal, and it has got only 1.4 star Trustpilot rating. And users are complaining that it is way too expensive for what it does. And there is multiple reports of poor customer service and limited functionality. Here's what separates successful AI affiliates from the rest in 2025. First, look for a program that has a strong customer support. This will directly improve your conversion rates. Number 2, look for recurring commissions. This will really build your passive income while you sleep. Number 3, look for a program that has a large user base to reduce the risk of program closure. And most importantly, test it for yourself first and then promote it to your audience. Authentic promotion always converts better than generic reviews. The top 3 programs I mentioned, Submagic, Notion, and Koala, have the strongest combination of user satisfaction, reliable payments, and market demand. They are perfect for beginners and 9-to-5 job workers to build real passive income online in 2025. Now, if this video has helped you avoid those costly mistakes and discover these high-paying alternatives, smash that like button and subscribe for more insider affiliate marketing strategies. Drop a comment on which program you're likely to try, and I will personally respond with some specific tips on that. With that, let's meet in another video. Until then, bye.